Today we're checking out the DIY.Graphics acrylic photo art. With just an inkjet printer, you can make full-color professional photo art and nameplates for schools, businesses, and home use. Mount them on the wall or stand them up on a shelf or a counter. Never before could you create this quality photo art from home or the office. Use them in-house or sell photos for huge profit with material costing less than $4.55. Creating a great additional revenue stream is super easy. Just peel, position, cut, and furnish. It's made with formulated adhesive that enhances your image. The sturdy polished acrylic protects from fingerprints, wear and tear, and fraying. Print anything from logos to photos, and even special promotion. There's no waiting, no setup charges, and no minimum order. Become your own printer with no equipment investment with DIY.Graphics.